Now in this video we want to create a similar kind of a table but without using pivot table option and using the formula. So for that, let's say we are going to use this format. Let me again remind you, this is the series of videos and this is the fourth part of the video where we are now going ahead with the conditional tables. In the earlier part we saw the pivot tables. So here I want to get this 46 average for colleague, combination of colleagues and 36. One way to do is go to the original information worksheet, filter for colleague, and okay, I have to apply a filter for week number also, so let me reapply the filters. Okay, now category as colleague and week number as 36. There are two records and these two records average is 46. You can see from the status bar here. So that is what we want to get as 46 here, but without using pivot table as I told you. So we are going to use a formula here called equal to. I want average, so I'm going to say average, but with some conditions. So what condition? If, and there are multiple conditions. I'm going to put ifs. So it's average ifs, bracket open. What it says, average range, which column average you want. So I will go to the original information worksheet and let me first remove the filters. Oh my god, oh sorry, let me remove the filters from here first and then rebuild the formula once again. So I'll go here, let me delete all these values and let's say equal to average ifs. I want average of column E, that's a duration from original information, when my category, that's column L, select that, is equal to, come back to the category week duration worksheet, this in this cell. So what we are doing in the column L, wherever you find the information matching with this cell values, filter those rows. Now we want to apply one more filter, right? So next I'll go back to the original information and in the week number, comma, come back to the category week duration. In the week number column, that is a column, oh I think it didn't got selected. The week number, yeah, that's column PP, comma, then come back to the category week duration. In the column PP you should get this value 36. Just goes twice, let me remove that. Okay, so column PP, the value in the B1, if you get this much, so what's going to do, this formula is going to filter the records for colleagues, filter records for week number 36, and whatever records are remaining, for those records find out the average of duration, that's 46. If I drag and this here in all this worksheet, this formula is not going to work properly. So I need to lock couple of them. So first I want to lock the average column reference, that's column EE. So I can put a dollar sign in front of EE or I can press F4. So it's going to lock both the part of the range. Similarly I want to lock the column LL also and lock column PP also. Now this A2, which is this one, when I drag down, this A2 should become A3, A4, A5. So A should remain constant, only the number should change. So I'll just put a prefix ahead of A. And this B1, when I drag down, it should remain B1 only. But when I drag on the right hand side, the B should change to C1, D1 and so on and so forth. So 1 should not change, but B should become C, D and E. So I should put dollar sign in front of the number. Now with this, if I drag vertically down and horizontally, it's going to give me values. You can see a couple of values are having a division by 0 because these are the combinations where There's no record. So when we find an average, average required something to be divided by. So in this case, it's division by 0. That's why. So you can remove this by prefixing this formula with one more function called if error. So if there's no error, do this, the formula what we put. If there's error, just put 0. So what I did, if error bracket open, if there's no error, do this. If there's error, put 0. If I put OK, it's going to give me this. Now if I drag this formula everywhere, in case of a numbers, it's not going to do anything, but in case of a division by 0 wala, all cases, it's going to make it 0. So this way you can create a conditional table. Now if I try the conditional table on this to get 266, what can be problem? Think it out, because if I drag down, what will happen? This Airtel is here, but there's no service provider name here written here. So the formula will not give a proper result.